lovely class, hope you're all okay. I thought I'd do a bit of a maths lesson with you. This week in our maths unit we were meant to be doing some data handling, which is about gathering information and putting them into charts and graphs. So this week I thought we'd look at tally charts and pictograms because you can have lots of fun with this. You can use so many things around the house. You can go out in the garden and collect different things and turn those into a graph and a pictogram. So I thought I'd give you a little demonstration on how to create your own tally charts and pictograms, and then you can go off and have some fun and post some pictures on our wow board on Facebook, or you can send us a little message on our blog. So I had a look around our house, and a lot of things we've been playing with this week has been our Duplo. So I'm going to show you how I can use my Duplo to create a tally chart and a pictogram. So bear with me whilst I move the camera around so that I can show you. Hope I don't make you too dizzy. So here I have, here we go, my Duplo. And what I wanted to do was make a tally chart and a pictogram to do with their colours. So here is a tally chart that I have made. So as you can see, I've got 3 columns. I've got the colours of my Duplo bricks, where I'm going to write my tally in, and this is what the total number of blocks are that are the colour. I don't know if any of you can remember, but when you do a tally, it's where we draw lines, and then for number 5, you draw one across. And I've got a little rhyme to help you with that. So you can help me. The first colour on my tally chart is red. So have a look. How many red Duplo blocks do I have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's correct. So I'm going to do that into my tally. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. So if you can remember that little rhyme, that's what your tally should look like. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. Okay, so let's have a look at the green. So I've got 1, 2 green. So let's draw that into my tally. 1, 2. Fabulous. What colour's next? Yellow. How many yellow blocks do I have? That's right, 4. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, orange. Yep, 2. And pink. 1, 2, 3 pinks. And blue. 1, 2. And last one is white. Just one on its own. Fantastic. So that's your tally part done. So now what we need to do is total up our tallies. So can you remember how many we had here? That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. So I have 5 here. How many greens did I have? That's right, I had 2. Orange. Oh no, sorry, yellow. That's right, 4. Orange. 2. Pink. 3. Blue. Another 2. And white, just the one little white. So there we have a tally chart ready for our Duplo blocks. Fab. Right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that tally chart into a pictogram. So to do that, I have made the first part of my pictogram. So as you can see, along the bottom, I have written the colour of my blocks. And all I need to do here is build columns for those colours. So white goes in this one, blue, pink, orange, yellow, red, and green. There we go. So already you have made a pictogram. So we can get lots of information from this pictogram. So looking at this pictogram, which colour block do I have the most of? So I'm going to look along and which one's got the most. Ah, that's right. Look at that. Red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the tallest one, so that one must have the most. Which one do you think has the least? That's right, the white one. Just another one on its own. What you could do as well is find out the difference. That means doing taking away. So if this one's got the most, so what's the difference between red and the white? So I know I've got 5 reds and 1 white. So 5 take away 1 leaves me 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the difference would be 4. Right, well that's a good little example for you to get you busy. Like I said, you can draw this out on the pavement in the garden, and you could do it with sticks, leaves, stones, rocks. You can create any sort of pictogram you like using different objects. So go and have a go this week, find out what you can, take some pictures, and I look forward to seeing them. Speak again soon, Blue Class. Bye.